From the supply side factor, one of the reasons that contributes to the increase in the supply of oil is the role of the United States as the dominant oil producer. As we can see from this simple chart, the world with and without the supply of oil from the US is quite significant. And one of the prime reasons why the supply of oil in the US has increased dramatically is due to the fracking or the production of shale oil in the US. So if you are interested to know more, you can just Google the word fracking or shale oil production, and you can learn more about this technique that is widely used in the States right now. So the increase in the supply of oil from the US has actually caused uh, some of the oil that was previously sold in the US, for example, oil from the Saudi, Nigerian, and also the Algerian oil, has to find other market, and this actually caused competition, increased competition in the oil market, especially in the Asian market, and that caused producers to drop the price. The second supply side factor is the role of OPEC. So one of the reason why oil price actually is quite low is because of the reluctance of OPEC producers, mainly Saudi Arabia, uh, refuse to cut production, and one of the reason is to drive out the supplier from the US, and because when the price goes so low, uh, the OPEC producers believe that the new producer from the US could not sustain, and especially for producer that has higher cost of production. As you can see from this chart here, okay, uh, the high cost producer on the right hand side, okay, the US and Canada from the oil sands producers. So the break even is, for example, Saudi Arabia, the price can go as low as 20 plus dollar per barrel and they can still break even. But for the US conventional oil producer, the price should be around $80 per barrel for them to break even. So if the oil producers from the OPEC cartel refuse to cut back production, which causes the price to go down, so theoretically it will cause the operators or suppliers from the US, Canada, and even Russia to actually go bankrupt because of the high cost of production, which is not matched by the low oil price.